Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning in where I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to make your home safer, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into these. So the first one is, change the locks and install deadbolts on all entry doors, right? Any doors that are accessed from the outside of the home. And when I say change the locks, that's when you take occupancy of the home, change the locks. You never know who the prior homeowner gave the keys to. They gave it to an uncle, they gave it to an aunt, an ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, whatever the case is, right? An ex-wife. So change the locks and install deadbolts. Next one is install motion activated lights near entrances. Motion activated lights save energy. They only go on when they detect motion, and many times you can actually set them to detect let's say people versus just little critters that go by your entryways. So just make sure that you have motion activated lights. Next one is purchase a fireproof safe for storing important documents, valuables, jewelry. Okay, something that is fireproof, just in case there's a fire in the home. You want to make sure that you have a fireproof safe. And then next one is check and or replace batteries in smoke detectors. Many professionals, many pros, many firefighters state that when daylight savings time happens, if this happens in your state, by the way, not every state honors that, but change the batteries at those times. Typical rule is every 6 months. Change out your batteries in your smoke detectors. And then the last one is develop a fire escape plan. What would happen if there's a fire in the basement or a fire upstairs or in your closet, wherever, right? Which I don't know why a fire, come to think about it, why would a fire start in your closet? But you never know. People store weird things in their closet. But have a fire escape plan. Know how you're gonna handle escaping your home if there's a fire. And then where would you meet? At the mailbox or at the backyard towards the end of the property line? Okay, depending on, again, how you get out of the home. So hope you found this episode valuable. Did I miss one? Is there a tip that I missed where it would make your home safer? Go ahead and share those thoughts in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.